my name's Gemma Bird Matheson, and the poem that I'm reading is Alone by Maya Angelou. Lying, thinking, last night, how to find my soul a home, where water is not thirsty and bread loaf is not stone, I came up with one thing, and I don't believe I'm wrong, that nobody, but nobody, can make it out here alone. Alone, all alone. Nobody, but nobody, can make it out here alone. There are some millionaires with money they can't use. Their wives run round like banshees, their children sing the blues. They've got expensive doctors to cure their hearts of stone. But nobody, no, nobody, can make it out here alone. Alone, all alone. Nobody, but nobody, can make it out here alone. Now if you listen closely, I'll tell you what I know. Storm clouds are gathering, the wind is gonna blow. The race of man is suffering, and I can hear the moan, because nobody, but nobody, can make it out here alone. Alone, all alone. Nobody, but nobody, can make it out here alone. I love this poem because I feel like it's very fitting for this time. When we find ourselves, self-isolating and quarantined and alone, just the idea that this is a time where we as a community can come together. We set up a Facebook group, my housemates and I, for everyone on our street, and it's just been really nice to, these are people I've lived next to for a year, and it's only now through something like this that we're waving to each other and getting to know each other, and finding out about the people around us that we've been distracted by the busyness of life for so long. And yeah, there's a silver lining to really difficult times like this, and I think it's the bringing together of community. All right, self-isolate, bye.